Welcome to the netiquette-next and welcome back to the series of WordPress and website. In the previous videos, we have created a website of our own. Here we go to log into our website, and in previous video we have been discussing about post, media, and how we can install different plugins and themes and how we can customize our web. So here today we will be firstly adding a new plugin, and then we will be adding a lot of pages, and we will be seeing what is the different of what is the functionalities of different pages and how we can create them. So here we go to firstly plugins and then to the add new, and we have to create page of contact us. So here we go and search of contact from 7, that is a plugin, and then we will be installing it. Install now, and then we will be activating it. When it will be activated, I will be telling you how we can create a page, add a page of contact us, so the users can be contact us. Here we have contact from 7 plugin activated, and here are the settings. Here we shall go to the page and add new. Here we can add new things, but we shall go, I was just showing to installed plugins, and click on the this one, and firstly we have to copy this text from here and shall go back to the add new page, and here in the title we shall write the contact us. Here we have write it, and here we have to paste that text, and then we have to publish it, and it is really amazing. Here we go to the site, and site we have just created and posted a page, and here we have contact us page added here. So click on it, and then now users can contact us through this page. Isn't it amazing? Shall go back to the dashboard, and here I'm gonna show you how we can create another amazing thing, which is privacy policy. Policy of our web. We didn't have to write for our web. Privacy policy. Here we have, I'm going to use another application, that is Policy Maker application. Here we go. I have searched and bookmarked it already, so we will be easy to find it, and here we shall go to the privacy policy generator and start now. The application will be creating a privacy policy for our web. So here we go. What is your website domain name? That is techvlog.com, and next. Here we go. What is your company name? That is techvlog, and next. Here we go. In which country do you store and process use of personal data? That is Pakistan, and next. Do you accept payments? You have 2 choices, you can choose of your own, yes and no. Here we get to the no, and then next. Do you show ads on your website? This is also option you have, so here we go, yes, and next. If required by law or by a government agency, will you disclose the personal information of users to law enforcement agents? You also have 2 choices, yes and no. So it is about the law and government that is supreme. So I'm gonna choose yes, and then next. Do you ask your users for location information? No, we don't ask, but if you ask, you can say yes. Here we go. And choose effective date for your privacy policy. We can choose date. Today is 5 July 2023, so we are going to choose this, and you can put any email here. So we're going to our email, and that is Infinity Tech. I'm gonna write here the Infinity Tech, Infinite Tech, and then what's next? 92 activate, 92 and gmail.com, and here we go to the finish. And the privacy policy for our web has been created. So here we can see and read. I'm just scrolling down to show you that the privacy policy has been created. Here I'm gonna copy it, and then we don't need the introduction, we just are copying it from this point on. We shall copy it from this point on and then paste it to our web page, and then we will be adding that page to our main page. That is something really amazing. Here we go, and from this point I can remove this, and then we're here. And now I'm gonna publish it and going to show you the amazing another thing, which is refresh it, and privacy policy has been created. We have created another page and edited and published it. It is shown here, and that is privacy policy for our web. Isn't it amazing? We have created two pages in this video, that is contact us and privacy policy. We are going to create another page that is about us. Here we go, and we shall go to the ChatGPT, and then here we go. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write about it. Be quick. Here we go. It is being processed, and we will be writing about us here. Here we go. My web name is Tech Vlog, which is about technology. Write about us for the web. Here we go. It is gonna write. You can read it as however you want. If it is about your liking, you can you can add this, and if you don't like it, you can write off your own. However you want, however you like, you can write that. Here we go. I'm gonna copy it and then I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna publish it, and here we have about us page also. So here is about us. We have created privacy policy page, contact us, and about us. These are the pages that are permanent on our web and are not gonna change until the admin can change them. Everybody can see them. About posts, they can be edited and can be removed every day and every night, however you want, but these are the permanents. Post will be appear the latest post however you want. The new post will come and the previous one will be disappeared, but the pages are the permanent. So here we go to the dashboard, and it was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing video. Please keep liking and sharing our video and subscribe our channel, watch our videos. These are informative, and I will be back soon. So look forward to the next video.